The Titanosaur was one of the largest dinosaurs that ever lived. It belonged to a group of plant-eating dinosaurs called sauropods, which are known for their long necks, long tails, and massive bodies. Titanosaurs lived during the Late Cretaceous period, about 100 to 66 million years ago in many parts of the world, including South America, Africa, Asia, Europe, and even Australia. Titanosaurs were truly giants. Some species were as long as 30 to 40 meters, about the length of 4 school buses, and weighed over 60 tons. That made them some of the heaviest land animals in Earth's history. Not all titanosaurs were that large, though. Some were smaller, about the size of a modern elephant. The largest species include Argentinosaurus and Patagotitan, which are thought to be among the biggest land animals to ever exist. Like other sauropods, titanosaurs had very long necks that allowed them to reach leaves high up in trees. Their tails were also very long, which helped them balance their huge bodies. They walked on 4 strong pillar-like legs, and their feet were wide to support their enormous weight. Unlike earlier sauropods, titanosaurs had wider chests and hips, which made their bodies look more stocky. Titanosaurs were herbivores, meaning they only ate plants. Their long necks helped them reach the tops of tall trees, but they could also feed on plants closer to the ground. They probably ate leaves, ferns, and other soft vegetation. Since they were so big, titanosaurs had to eat huge amounts of food every day to survive. Their teeth were shaped like pegs or pencils, which were good for stripping leaves off branches, but not for chewing. Instead, they swallowed their food whole, and their large stomachs did the work of breaking it down. Titanosaurs laid eggs just like other dinosaurs. Fossil discoveries show that they sometimes laid their eggs in groups, burying them in the ground to protect them. Baby titanosaurs were very small compared to their parents and grew quickly after hatching. Because the adults were so large, they probably had very few natural predators, but young titanosaurs were more at risk of being hunted by meat-eating dinosaurs. One of the most amazing things about titanosaurs is how widespread they were. Fossils have been found on almost every continent, which shows that they were very successful and adapted to many different environments. Some lived in forests, others in plains or near rivers. Their wide distribution also makes them one of the most important groups for scientists studying the end of the dinosaur age. Titanosaurs lived till the very end of the Cretaceous period, disappearing about 66 million years ago during the mass extinction event that also killed off all the other dinosaurs. Scientists believe a massive asteroid impact, along with volcanic activity and climate change, caused their extinction. Today, titanosaurs are known mainly from fossil bones, footprints, and egg sites. Some fossils are so large that they took years to dig out of the ground. In 2014, scientists discovered fossils of a giant titanosaur called Patagotitan majorum in Argentina. It is believed to be one of the largest animals to ever walk the earth. The titanosaur reminds us of the incredible size and power of dinosaurs. These giants ruled the land for millions of years, eating plants, roaming in herds, and shaping their environments. Even though they are long gone, they continue to amaze scientists and the public alike. The story of the titanosaur shows us how diverse life on Earth has been. From tiny animals to the largest creatures that ever walked on land, nature has always found ways to adapt and thrive. Titanosaurs will always be remembered as the gentle giants of the dinosaur world.